Never say sad again. Look me in the eye and comment, I'm guilty, if you've uttered those three little words, I am sad, in the last 7 days. Because what if I told you that word was holding you back? Today, right here, right now, we are not just changing words. We are deleting SAD from your emotional dictionary forever. This isn't just about vocabulary. This is about power. This is about presence. This is about being unforgettable. If you're ready to transcend basic, if you're ready to truly level up and make every conversation a performance, type level up now. Look at that. The legends are stepping up. The status quo is officially under attack. The basic brigade doesn't stand a chance. Let's go. Get ready to infuse your language with fire, with flair, with the kind of impact that only a Netflix main character possesses. Here are 9 power idioms that will make you sound like absolute royalty. 1. Down in the dumps, meaning feeling profoundly low and miserable. Example: after the project failed, the whole team was down in the dumps, meaning experiencing immense happiness. Something got you floating. Drop a cloud 9. Example: getting that promotion put me on cloud 9 all week. 3. Seeing red, meaning becoming instantly and extremely angry. Who made you see red this week? Type red. Example: when they stole my idea, I was literally seeing red. 4. My heart sank, meaning feeling sudden, crushing disappointment. Just happened to you? Comment sank. Example: when I saw the rejection email, my heart sank. 5. Over the moon, meaning ecstatically happy, feeling this right now. Type moon. Example: after closing the big deal, the CEO was over the moon. 6. Absolutely gutted, meaning completely devastated and broken inside. Something break you? Comment gutted. Example: missing the deadline left us absolutely gutted. 7. Walking on air, meaning so happy you feel weightless and euphoric. First big win vibes? Type AIOM. Example: after acing the presentation, I was walking on air. 8. Butterflies in my stomach, meaning a mix of nervousness and excitement. Big moment tomorrow? Comment butterfly. Example: before the investor pitch, I had serious butterflies in my stomach. 9. Hit me like a ton of bricks, meaning experiencing a sudden, overwhelming shock or realization. Felt this recently? Type bricks. Example: the news of the merger hit me like a ton of bricks. All right, you linguistic warriors, the gauntlet has been thrown. The old ways are dead. Now, prove it. Quick, comment the one idiom you're injecting into your next conversation, your next email, your next epic monologue. Do it now. And for the first 100 legends who step up to the plate, I'll personally reply with a custom sentence, embedding your name into an idiom of power, a true mark of the elite. Plus, if this video crushes 50,000 likes, consider it done. Part 2 drops tomorrow, where we tackle the next weak word, angry. Get ready for a linguistic revolution. Basic English is dead. Long live legendary English. Subscribe and hit that bell on, or get left in the dust speaking basic in 2025. The choice is yours. Make it legendary.